says stay. It says stay. That's the only one that says stay. That one. See, they had a basketball hoop right there, looks like. I really like Snoopy. He's a really good Snoopy. Violators will be prosecuted.
Where are you at?
Look at on the outside of that building. He's got that big thing out of there. Look at all these are old. Like they killed all these. Yep, and there's a whole nother bunch of buildings over there.
There's a tank over there. Oh, there's a couple tanks.
Oh, this is part of it then.
Yeah.
Look, that's still part of it. And look at the grass growing on that roof.
Yeah. Well, it was probably good. All the people.
But we're gonna get on out of here. We need to get out of here before we get caught. Yeah, I didn't put the guy on camera because he didn't want to be.
Watch out for that water.
Oh yeah, I don't want to walk through that. Because we don't know what it is and we don't want to bring it in on her car.
It's something nasty. See how it's spilling over the side?
Uh-huh.
It's got all kinds of gross stuff growing on it.
Yep. We don't know what that is. We don't want to know what that is. That other tank is empty. This must be like groundwater that's coming up in this one.
Oh, something. That went underneath.
Uh-huh. Let's get a nice view, nice circle of view again of this creepy place. And the water tower with cell phone stuff on it. And the green water. And that's downtown Troutdale over there. And this used to be railroad tracks coming through here. You can see the tracks ran right through here. I don't know what they did. Why they'd have tracks running through a sewage place. Really?
That was really where your brother's friend died up there?
Yeah. She was a girl in 8th grade. And she was like 8th grade. And she went, that's the one that goes across the river, right?
Yeah, when we go up there we can see it.
Yeah. Yeah, she went with some other people and they jumped down on the rungs down below. Mm-hmm. But she tried to outrun the train. She panicked. And one of the things that stick out hit her in the head, killed her. It was one of my brother's friends. I can't remember what her name was. It was really sad. When I was in 8th grade, one of my friends died on Gleason. She got hit by a car, and I had just talked to her. And she got hit by a car. She was on her bike. She had blonde hair, white blonde hair down to here.
Oh, I remember you telling me that, and it got full of blood.
Yep, because her head hit the curb. And this boy she liked had just asked her to prom. And I had class with her in band and stuff. Well, she had PE, I had band. And I couldn't march in practice the next day because I was used to seeing her on PE while I was marching. And that was up on Gleason. Some lady came out of her apartment, you know, and really fast.
Oh, there's still so many accidents right here all the time. No one knows how to drive. And be aware of this surroundings.
See these tracks? Isn't it crazy? Of course, they're not in use anymore, duh.
I noticed that before. Look, that thing's all open over there.
What?
There's like, whatever that is, a little walker or something.
Oh, yeah, huh? He didn't know how he got in here, huh?
Yeah. You're not supposed to be in here.
He was probably going like, wow, maybe they're ghosts.
I know. I guess I don't know why I didn't notice it before until we were talking about it, but there's a barbed wire fence on top.
Oh.
Obviously, they don't want us in here.
Oh, I didn't notice that either. There is barbed wire on top. But there's big openings in the side. So, yeah, that guy was really nice for the circumstances. All right. Let me climb over right here. Well, there's this one. I stepped right here on this one. I can recognize my steppy. And that's the railroad trestle that goes across the river that my brother's friend in 8th grade died by being hit by a train. And obviously the trains still go through here because it's got a red light up there.
Yeah, I know there is. You can hear it from my house.
And that trestle doesn't look very safe to me. I mean, look how rusted out it is. That trestle.
Yeah, I want to go closer, but
Okay, well, let's just go right up there. And it'll be easier to get up there than.
the Troutdale house. Oh, that's their stuff. I think. Huh? Maybe not.
What does it say?
Oh, it's in a rental agreement.
Oh. Oh, that's why it's called Troutdale House. Oh, God. That scared me. He just came right at us. Where'd he go?
Christ.
Oh, that was a squirrel.
Oh,
That was a squirrel.
did he not see us?
I don't know. He might be blind. He might be blind. He scared the hell out of me.
Behind you.
That scared the hell out. Something always attacks me.
Oh, hey. What
That's antique. That is an old electrical conduit thing.
Oh man, it's porcelain.
Yeah, that's from the old days.
Too bad it's not in better condition.
Right, I have glass ones. I have never had a porcelain one. But I don't anymore. I got rid of everything to move into my motorhome. But
You're not interested, are you?
no,
Okay.
no,
I'll put it back.
I don't take anything from any place that I go to.
Yeah, you never know what might attach to it. Oh, look, there's another hole.
Oh yeah, that was right by to keep out. No
Yeah.
trespassing. The one we went through didn't have that right there. And this is the side of the building we didn't go on because there was all these berries and stuff. So let's see, we'll get a good little shot of that.
You can see all the little sparrows. You see all that?
Where?
These little birds.
Oh, the ones flying all over?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I picking that up. Oh, look at over there, the crows.
Oh, there you are.
I can't get them. I can't even see them in my camera. Maybe I was too far up. Those are some of those things up there, huh? Those conduit things for the electric. Yeah, I used to party under this bridge back in high school. It's where 1,000 Acres is right under that bridge.
Yeah, if you keep going that way.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Used to be by here when we were in high school. This is the bridge that the girl died on. I don't know if anyone else ever did. I'm sure it's been here for many, many years. That's the bridge that she tried to run across.
It says on there, like, no trespassing.
Yeah, I'm sure. It does. I'm getting across. I don't want to have to. I don't want to be on the wrong side. Yeah. Let me see. Well, there we go. I did my telescopic thing on it. Doesn't look that long when you do that, but it is. There's Natalie. There's a river right there. Can you see the river? Oh, look, and here's an old railroad, let me see, let me get to it. Oh, there it is. It's an old railroad spike. Oh, and look at these. It looks like they've had these things breaking off here.
Doesn't look very safe with all that stuff out there, huh?
I know. These things have been coming out. They hold the track on. There's a bunch of them.
You can see that.
Yeah.
See it on both sides.
Oh, this is the Sandy River.
Just be careful of your step.
Yeah.
Looks like people would just go up and down there.
That's the Sandy River down there.
Oh, and there's where you can park over across the street and you can come down.
We should do that.
Over there on the
I
other
used to
side.
party over there. Right over there. Big time. High school.
Big
Yeah, we used to have kegers down there all the time. And I had a hard time getting home sometimes. But I was young. I'm old now. I don't do that. I know how to get home now. Yeah, it looks like they've just fixed this up actually not that long ago. Probably why those old ones weren't on there anymore. Oh, I don't know what I was getting. I'm sorry, you guys. I wasn't paying attention. There's that building with my...
Compared to the rest of the civilized world, our train system is very archaic.
Oh, we're like old-fashioned.
Yeah.
Very old-fashioned. Because our whole infrastructure isn't really in the best of shape throughout the whole United States.
That's like the boom in the 50s, right? And the gold era.
Right. And since they sold us out and sold us to China, all of the money that the feds take in goes to China for interest on all our loans. So now it's up to the states to keep the infrastructure going, and damn it, they're not doing a damn good job, are they?
Especially here in Oregon.
Yep. Everywhere. Look at the roads. They have so many taxes on.
There's something else over there.
What?
I heard something else jumping on over there. There's another squirrel coming to run at us.
Oh, I couldn't believe that one ran us. He must have been really territorial or something. I don't know if I got it on camera because I got so freaked out. Something attacks me at almost every abandoned place I go to. Something attacks me, whether it's alive or dead. Something attacks me.
Oh, we gotta get that sign. It has the history of the
Yeah,
area.
yeah, I want to do that. We'll do that right now. And I'm so glad we came here.
Yeah.
It's really been a good... Oh, look at the birdhouse.
Yeah.
Where's it at? Right there. It's a birdhouse. Oh yeah, look at the chandelier up in there. What is this place? It's a restaurant? Oh yeah, they're doing pellet guns.
Oh no, it says whip it.
Oh, that's that stuff you breathe in and get kind of high or something. Yeah, they sell it at the head shops. I can't find it. Where's it at? Oh, right there.
That's bad. They're all over the place.
Yeah, just probably those homeless people were partying. It's the only thing they could
Or
afford.
some delinquents.
Yeah. They say it's really good for, if you know what I mean.
Oh.
I don't want to say it because this is family-friendly station. I mean channel. My channel is. I try to keep the foul language and the vulgar topics to a minimal. Look at that old bench. That's cool. That trail's going down to 1,000 acres.
Yeah, down to the river.
Yeah. And Oregon history, Troutdale. This pioneer community